Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing May ALC and June Yarnable. So I'm very excited to be sharing these with you guys, and I'm even more excited to pull some pairings to go with these because every month I love these. I did review these. At the time I reviewed these, I got the ALC gifted to me. I paid for the Yarnable. Here we are a couple of years later, and I'm still personally paying for both the ALC and the Yarnable. So I'm guessing that's probably how the review series went. Just saying. Feel free to check out the reviews though, because I did do a price breakdown and everything else with these. But I'm going to be honest, I still love them. That's why I'm still buying them. So our extras for the ALC this month, we got a ALC Hank stitch marker, an ALC sticker, and a ballpoint pen. And once again, these will all, well, the sticker, eventually I'm going to find things to do with these. But I need a thing to like stick them on that like I display in the room, but I don't have anything like that. I want to stick them. I just don't know what I want to stick them on. I'm out of like the mindset where I want to put them on my furniture. So I need like a cork board or something kind of thing that, anyway, that's a Carrie problem to figure out tomorrow. This is this month's yarn. So this is Glow with the Flow. It's going to be so much fun to do pairings with this. I know there's a periwinkle in here that will go with this. And I know there's a green that will go great with this. Next up, Yarnable. So our extras for Yarnable, we have little hand wipes. And this is the cutest little thing. So once the hand wipes are done in here, I'm going to have fun figuring out what to house in my little cacti themed canister. Because that may be some of the cutest packaging I've ever seen. We have some lip balm. I believe this is it says summer citrus, but the essential oils that I see listed on the ingredients are rosemary and lavender. So I haven't pulled it out to snifferate, but super cute packaging as well. And then we also have a reusable straw cover. So you stick your straw through this piece and that's like a little cap, which is super adorable. Also just like totes adorable, just saying. I love cactuses. I kill my cacti, unfortunately. Our yard guy keeps thinking I'm joking when I say, if you want something to live, don't let me touch it. Because I'm pretty good at killing things. I've had cucumbers liquefy. I have kept alive wisteria I was trying to kill, but killed the wisteria I was trying to keep alive. I'm surprised my air plants are still alive. And somehow those have survived like 2 years now. And that includes the move here. But yeah, I killed the succulent. So I do a lot more yarn plants than I do trying to grow things. This is the yarn from Yarnable this month. And I'm just saying, once again, if you said, I'm going to dye something that's like a dusky green with a little bit of like fuchsia and maybe like a khaki yellow green, I'd be like, that sounds interesting, but I don't know that I'm going for that. And then you see it dyed and it's like, yes, more please. Yes. How is this not more of a thing? I don't get it. It's the brilliance of, this is why I still buy this yarn. This is why I still get this mystery box, because I am surprised every single month as to what the unusual pop is. This is just me. Nikki dyes me every month. I mean, every month she gets me. We're color soul sisters. She hasn't dyed a color where I'm like, huh, I wouldn't have thought to do that. No. Soul sisters. This is like our cool cousin that we're like, oh my God, why did you put that outfit together? Because it's perfect. Like, oh my God, yes. I love it so much. These ladies just make my day every month when I get these. I got both of these in the mail yesterday, and I was in the middle of trying to repair our treadmill. So I had like stuff pulled out everywhere. I washed my hands and immediately ripped these bags open as soon as they dropped on my doorstep. Because I had to see them. I wanted to. I don't look at the sneak peek from Yarnable, so I have no idea what I'm getting, and I don't look at the Facebook thread for ALC where people are giving away spoilers because I want to be surprised. I want to be surprised. And boy, howdy, am I happy. So, let me reach down into my little bins here. We'll pull some pairings out and see what we've got that these can go with. Okay, so I have a stack and an arm load, and can I just say I'm really excited. I finally found my sock sack that went with my atomic sock yarn that I have pulled out because I was trying to figure out where that went. I finally found it in the bottom. So I actually thought I was going to have a hard time finding something that was like a next door partner to this. I have a number of things that are like, if you were doing a fade, this would be one end, and the distant cousin, the like second cousin 3 times removed and twice engaged or something. I found like those, but not the next doors. Now, obviously, you can take something like this is Perfectly Pink from ALC, and you could pair it easily, you know, with a tonal or solid. I don't have anything in these base colors because, oh my God, I didn't know I needed them until today. Well, yesterday when I unboxed this. But I did find 2 other hanks in my ALC that I really like with this. So this first one is Fallujah. And this is way more red. I think it needs something else, like maybe this fall speckles. Now, unfortunately, both of these are the sock weights, I believe. Or not sock weight, DK weight. Yeah. So I won't actually be able to make anything. But I like these 2 together. And I like these 2 together. And I like the combination of the 3 colors together. And none of those are like pulling like matchy-matchy, true matchy-matchy type things. Anyway. Didn't know I needed it in my life. And just for the record, like this isn't the first time I've gotten something succulent or cacti themed from Cheryl, because I did buy her set. Like December, was it December 2023 when I did this? I think so. But this is the Christmas cactus set. So like this is more like if you were saying cactus and succulents, where I'd be like, oh yeah, totally me, girl. This is what we get this month. Once again, didn't know I needed these colors in my palette. However, I need these colors in my palette. But yes, I found more to go with this than I thought I would, just because this is a unique, this darker green is a very unique color even within my ALC and Yarnables. Cheryl has not used this color before. Or anything technically this close to it. So up next, put that there. Our matches to go with the ALCs. And if you are not familiar with my unboxing of the ALC and Yarnable, I only get the single skein every month, and I firmly believe you do not need to get, huge sets or anything. For Yarnable, you can get 1 skein, 2 skein, 1 skein, 50 gram mini, 2 skein, 50 gram mini. There's deluxe and double deluxe. And I just get the basic single skein. Single skein with some extras. And you don't have to get all of the extras to get things to go together. Number one, you can pair things from your stash that you already have, but even pairing, once you have a flow with a dyer like this, you really can start mixing and matching. And you'll see a lot of times I mix and match the ALCs with the Yarnables, because even though they are completely different style designers or dyers and dye different ways and different color palettes, for some reason they are so compatible. I mean, they're friends. But oh my God. So anyway, ALC for this month pairs great with this one. This is the February 2023 Green for Luck Color for Sass. I mean, it was kind of like the obvious, but when you add in, say, like Perfectly Pink, I could not find the peridot yarn I was thinking of. And I'm wondering if I put it in something else or set it aside to be in something else. But obviously Perfectly Pink pairs with this perfectly. Also, you know, if you pulled in like this purple to go with them too. But this has a lot more of the peridot color. This has definitely more of the green in it. Another, ooh, that would be a really pretty 5-color combo. So this is Shenanigans from Yarnable. So like all 5 of these together, really cool. But Shenanigans with Love Language. But I'm not doing a good job at showing the speckles and the... Or Shenanigans with Perfectly Pink from ALC. So you could definitely bring it way back with the solid, a speckle, and... But that's not all, folks. That's not all. So I shared with you guys, I had bought one of the mini skein packs. This is the Spring Mini Adventure on the Lush sock base. So if you took this, did like 2 rows of this, played with a mini, 2 rows of this, brought in a mini, 2 rows of this, brought in a mini. Or just took the more solid minis out of here that do have, you know, or the more tonal things that do have more of like that peridot-y color and the purple. I'll just break this up that way. I don't know. I liked these colors all together. They're like all cousins of each other. Just saying. So, make sure everybody gets put up in their thing. What do you guys think? Do you like this month? Are you with me? And then like, I didn't know I needed that dusty, greeny, tealy, turquoise. It's not even, I wouldn't. Okay, this is Hunter Green. Like you can see how much blue and yellow are in this green, but it's so dusty. Like, are you with me? Where it's like, I need this. I need this color. I'm going to play with my yarns. I hope y'all are having a wonderful, fantastic Saturday. I love you guys, and I will see y'all real soon.